In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 13 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to Hit Storage. Now tap on Cleanup, scroll down to hit Clean next to Junk Files, and then wait. As you can see after that, my junk files were successfully deleted. If you want to delete some data, for example app data, hit clean next to this section, but this time when you will select any of those data, your files will be deleted. So you need to click on it, hit delete, be sure of your choice and hit delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!